Hello, let's create a Telegram bot. So first go to Telegram, search for bot father. You'll get this bot. Go to this place, type start. You'll get this list of informations. Now click on new bot. Let's give our bot a name, which is say tutorial 134 bot. Make sure that it has bot at the end of its name. Now you have to give a username for the bot. We will go for tutorial 134 bot. So our bot is now created. So if we search tutorial 134 bot, we can see that our bot is now present. Now go back to this message. You have this access token. This is the token you will use to access the bot. Copy this token. Now let's go to your file editor or any IDE that you were using. I'm using VS Code for this. Create a new file. We have copied our token, so let's just put it here. Token column. Now, what you need to ensure is that you have a Python bot installed in your terminal. So go to terminal. Type in pip install Python Telegram bot. I've already installed it, so it's saying that it's already installed. So after doing that, come back to VS Code. Let's give some import from typing import final. Then from Telegram import update. Command handler. Message handler. Filters. And lastly, context types. So our import is done. Let's start writing some code. The first thing you'll do is that we want to create a hello command, right? If we go to Telegram and we type hello, it will give us a reply. So what we will write is that async def hello command, because we are going to type hello in that. Context types dot default type. Await. Update message reply text. It will be hello world if we type hello. So after that, we want to write the main function. So get down here. name underscore equals to print starting, so that we will know that the main function is working at first. Then we will build the application command, which is application dot builder dot token. It will get our token, this, and we'll get this file dot build. So our application is now built. Let's add a command handler, which will be app.add handler. Now the name of our command will be hello, so we will be writing hello command. This will be hello, and the name of our command is hello command. So what it does is that it goes to Telegram and it says if the command is hello, it will initiate this hello command that I have written here, and it will reply the hello world text in Telegram. We will add some other security checks like print start polling. We will know that this part, when we're working, if this part is working properly, this part will initiate, so we will know that there is no problem in this section. And add a poll interval of, say, 5. Lastly, we will add while true pass. This part is for our web hosting. We'll talk about it later. So our code is now finished here. There was an error. Alright, our code is finished. Now let's go back to Telegram again. Go back to bot further. Go back to this list, right? See there, this edit bot section. You can set name, set description, whatever. What we want to do is that we want to set some command. So click on set command. Now I have some bots. I'll go for this one, tutorial bot, and you will have to write the command in this way. So we will write hello, as our command name is hello. Starts the bot. This command is now set. So let's go back to our bot, tutorial 134 bot here. Now it doesn't do anything. Why? Because we didn't run the program yet. So let's run the program. It says start polling, so it means that it is working fine. Let's go back here, type hello again. It gives hello world. So now you have created a bot successfully. It works from your PC without any issue. Now what happens if I close this bot? So if I press Control, if I press Ctrl C, the keyboard interrupt, and the bot program is now closed. So if I write hello world, hello again, it doesn't do anything. Why? Because the code is not working in my PC. So if we want to have a working prototype, we have to upload it somewhere in the web. For the next part, we have to upload it somewhere on the web so that the bot can run 24/7 in a remote server. So first go to Replit, create an account, then create a new REPL. You can go for Python Telegram bot template, give a name, I'll give it tutorial. Now there is already a template. We can clear this and go to our code. Copy this and paste it here. So our bot can run from here. But before that, don't forget to install the shell command here. So it will be pip install Python Telegram bot. Let me check again. Let me check again. Pip install Python Telegram bot. Start. So don't forget to install the shell command pip install Python Telegram bot. And we'll now install the necessary requirements and libraries in our Replit shell. So let's see if it works. Run it from here. So let's say if it works, run it from here. Let's go back to our Telegram. It works, so we can say that it's probably running. So now stop this. Create a new file, which will be stayalive.py. Now what this file will do is that it will keep the main file always alive. I have a code here. I'll give it in the description. Copy this code, go back to here, paste it here. Now we have configured to stay alive. Go back to your main file, type from import from keep alive from stay alive, as our file name is stay alive, import keep alive. Now we hope that it will work fine. Let's run this project again. Let's go back to our, let's check again. It's working. Now here is our URL. We will use this URL to upload this bot to a remote server, which will keep it always running. Now let's go to a new website. We will use this website, uptimerobot.com. Go there, log in, register, and then go to dashboard. Now what we'll do is we will add a new monitor. Select type. It will be an HTTPS monitor. Now you have to give the URL name. Copy this URL name go to here, paste this URL, and do not forget to remove IT from the end of the URL. So what we'll do is, instead of writing Replit, you'll write REPL. You can double check it, copy this URL, go to a new tab, paste it. See, the bot is running here. If it doesn't come, it means that the bot isn't running. Don't forget to use REPL instead of Replit. Give it a name. Keep things as it is. Create a monitor. Now the monitor is created. This is our tutorial monitor. Now if we close this tab, the Replit should be closed. Let's go back to our Telegram. It's still working, which means that this bot is keeping this bot running. Now, even if I close everything, all the tabs and everything, it will still keep running. It will always be running. So at the end of the day, keep checking 2 or 3 times every day, because the uptime robot might not work properly. And other than that, there should be no problem running the bot 24/7 on a online hosting server. Thank you.